Now, we have, in our kind of geometry, if you think back to your school days, a circle which is split into 360 degrees. Each of those degrees is split into 60 minutes of arc, and each of those minutes is split into 60 seconds of arc. Megalithic geometry was just very slightly different. This is what we think, well, this is now what we know megalithic geometry looked like. There was 366 degrees to a full circle, the same as the number of days in the year. Each of those degrees was theoretically split into 60 minutes of arc. And the only difference between this and modern geometry, in terms of the minutes and seconds, is that in megalithic geometry, there was only 6 seconds of arc to the minute of arc. When we are looking at the Earth, it obviously is a globe. We could split that like segmenting an orange, and we could split it into its component geometric parts. So we could take a segment of the orange that was equivalent to 1 megalithic degree of the Earth. We could split that into megalithic minutes of arc, so smaller segments, and we could split it again into seconds of arc. The polar Earth, in terms of megalithic yards, is 48224160 megalithic yards. That is equivalent to 40,009 kilometres. The actual size of the polar Earth, insofar as anybody has an absolute estimation, is 40,007 kilometres. The difference between the two is 1 part in 20,000. In other words, it's the same thing.